Hey, welcome to day 4 of the 25-day productivity challenge. You can find all the previous days and all the days to come if you go to 4onemore.com/challenge. Today's topic is how to keep track of your goals using a bullet journal. Now, I used to be one of those people that had multiple planners and journals and lists and notebooks, and I realized I needed one place to keep all of my life managed, whether it was homeschool, home things, my businesses, volunteer activities, calendars, lists, whatever it was. And the best solution I found is a bullet journal, because instead of using a pre-made planner where someone else decides how you need to organize your life, you're able to create one just for you. So I'm going to link to all the resources, and my actual bullet journal was, I think, about $8 on Amazon. It's a really nice, has a nice kind of leathery feel cover, and it's basically a blank journal with little dotted grid to help me keep a little bit straight lines. But you can use any blank journal. You could use a spiral notebook from Walmart. It doesn't matter. So grab a journal, blank journal to make in your bullet journal, and grab some awesome pens because everything's more fun with color. And let me show you how a bullet journal works. Now, I do not have a beautiful inside. I'm not artistic. I'm really utilitarian. So let me show you the basic parts of a bullet journal. First is an index. Let me get that there. This is an index. It's not alphabetical. It's just the order I made my pages. And so if you have a calendar, you list the month. If you have a page with lists or any topic, you create that page and stick it in your index in the order you create it. And so this is the way I find all my pages in my bullet journal. I go to my index, and this is the most important part of the bullet journal. The rest of it is just your pages. It could be list pages, calendars, goal setting pages, habit trackers, whatever fits your style. It could be your meal planning page with all your top 10 meals that you make, or grocery lists to make those meals. You can budget, you can, whatever. I have a lot of lists because I'm a list person, and they're all different topics. I like my colored pens. My calendars are a big hot mess, but I put them there with my top priorities for that month. Cross it out as I go. I have some lists of books I want to read, and I was going to write in the title of the book as I read it, make a cute little bookshelf here. We'll see if I follow through. But here is my bullet journal. It's nothing fancy. It's very utilitarian. Here's some calendars. That's all it is. Here's some blank calendars. And then, as I told you, if you're following along in the challenge, I want you to make some goals for this year. I haven't set mine out on paper yet. I'm going to do it as you do it. So I'm in the trenches just like you. And so I'm going to write my goals, my 3 big goals for the year here. And then I created a page for each quarter. So here's quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. I'm going to list out the steps I need to take in each quarter to finally finish the year and actually meet these goals. So if you're following along on our productivity challenge, you've already been told, hey, you need to make some big goals, filter them through your don't do list, and then you need to break them down into quarters. Well, today, I want you to start a bullet journal. I want you to think about starting a bullet journal. If you don't have a planner system that works for you, I want you to give a bullet journal a try. And the first few pages you can create are your goal pages, and then your quarterly pages where you're going to list out the steps that you need to take each quarter in order to meet your goals. So that's a little sneak peek into my not so pretty bullet journal, but it's functional and I really love it. It's all in one place. When I leave the house and take the kids to gym class or whatever, I grab my bullet journal. I can brainstorm in there and work on projects. I think you need to give it a try. And that's it for today. You can find all the rest of the challenges at 4onemore.com/challenge. Now it's your turn to go and take action and be productive.